Here we are at our property at 6975 Watkins Glen. Take an interior inspection of this property. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. We enter into a foyer area. We've got hardwood floors on the first floor. Formal living room here. You step through to a formal dining, which leads us into the kitchen. We've got white countertops, tile floor, dishwasher, double sink, gas range. We'll be installing a refrigerator here. Got a pantry. And over here we've got a den with a fireplace. Breakfast area, nice size. The den is open to the kitchen. Got a powder room here. Doorway leading to a double garage and laundry room right here. Security system. And we'll take a look upstairs. This house has fresh paint, brand new carpet, new fixtures and lights. Got a very spacious master with a very large room. Master has a very nice master bath, separate shower, garden tub, double vanity. The commode in that door. Got a very nice large walk-in closet. Also a powder, or not a powder room, but a linen closet here. The master has access to the second bedroom through that door. We'll go in this side. Makes it perfect as a nursery. Here is that large second bedroom. Again, new paint, new carpet, new light fixtures, window blinds. Third bedroom. Also a very nice size. Fresh paint and carpet. Stepping over here. Fourth bedroom. And we have a hall bath with a shower tub combination and tile floors. And that's it for our interior tour. Thank you.